Here I am at RAPID TCT in Boston, and this is Anycubic's booth. Let's take a look at which products they are going to come up with. Anycubic is doing the best of the both worlds with resin 3D printing and FDM 3D printing. And here are the biggest piece of the resin 3D printing coming from the Anycubic. This is a pre-launch machine they are showcasing here at RAPID TCT P1 MAX Photon, and we are going to take a look closer. In here, we already seen the P1 Anycubic Photon, which is a really nice machine. It got bigger and this thing is heavy. And another big machine, Photon Mono M7 Max.
Let's look at Anycubic Photon P1 MAX in details. The controller screen is 4.5 inches and it is packed with features that you want in a resin 3D printer, including a camera to monitor your prints. It has a giant resin vat that can take 1.9 liters of resin. The entire LCD screen is 10.1 inches monochrome LCD with 14K resolution. The print volume of this machine is 285.5 mm by 214 by 300 mm. And there's a dynamic temperature control resin vat. You can transfer files with USB, Wi-Fi or LAN. It also has precision ground steel build plate. This is leveling free and there's a leveling feedback on the machine itself. And this machine is engineered for high viscosity resins. You can even 3D print 8000 CPS resin. And it supports air purifier connection as well. XY axis resolution is 24.8 micrometers. This machine weighs 21.6 kilograms. Let's talk about Anycubic Photon P1. It is priced for everyone and this machine is 13.5 kilos. Its LCD screen is 10.1 inches, still 14K resolution. It also has dynamic temperature control resin vat and precision ground steel build platform. It can also print high viscosity resins up to 8000 PCS. Its print volume is 223 by 126 and 230 millimeters. For X-axis resolution, it can go down to 16.8 microns and for Y, 24.8 microns. And yes, this is also leveling free. And everything else is more or less same as its bigger body. It is time for Photon Mono M7 Max. The print volume is 298 164 and by 300 mm. It has XY axis resolution of 46 microns both ways. The build platform is laser engraved aluminum build plate and the resin vat can be filled up to 1.3 liters. This machine also has 4-point manual leveling with a force sensors underneath. Resin auto-filling unit is supported and it has dynamic temperature control resin vat as well. And the LCD screen is 13.6 inch monochrome LCD with 7K resolution. And it has intelligent release precision control. And there's a pro version of it with more features.
Now we are going to look at the FDM series of Anycubic 3D printers. Right now what I have here is Kobra X. Kobra X is already launched, which is doing really good job, and the gear system over there is making it fabulous, and they packed all the filaments on top of this machine, which makes it perfect.
Kobra X comes with 4 color option, expandable to 19 colors. It has printing volume is 260 by 260 by 260 millimeters, and it can 3D print various materials from PLA to ASA, including PETG carbon fiber. They already shown the soft and hard multi-material capabilities of this machine during the advertisements, which was really cool to see, and it can print up to 600 millimeters per second. Its nozzle can heat up to 300 Celsius and the maximum bed temperature is 100 Celsius. It also supports Ace Pro 2. If you want to put a box nearby to dry your filament, it does that too. Of course, this is a bed slinger, but its direct drive has a short distance extrusion. It has auto leveling, power loss resume, filament detection and auto resume, and it also has AI spaghetti detection. And you can object skip and area level with this machine as well, which supports 720p, and the weight of this machine is 9.5 kilos.
Alright, right now we are going to look at another pre-launch machine, Kobra 4, right in here. This machine has multicolor on it and it's an upgrade to the previous version. And let's take a look at it closer. And this machine is also equipped with Ace 2 Pro. It is located right in here.
We yet to know the price of this machine because it's pre-launch and it is showcased first time at RAPID TCT booth in Boston 2026. So far what we can see is a fast machine and it is expected to be cheap entry-level beginner-friendly 3D printer. It does not have the filaments on top of it like Kobra X. Instead, it is using Ace 2 Pro. Based on what I see, the print qualities are pretty impressive for this machine. With the expected cheap entry price, this is going to be pretty good. This machine is a bed cylinder, and it looks like the screen size is the same as the Kobra X as well. This is also expected to be cheaper than Kobra X. It might be released as single color with add-on combo option to multicolor with Ace 2 Pro. This is Kobra 3 Max Combo version 2. It's a big beast. Print volume 420 by 420. It's 500mm tall. It supports 4 to 8 colors 3D printing. It's a huge machine. Combo version comes with 4 colors, and you can increase the number of colors up to 8. Supported filaments are PLA, PETG and TPU. And this one has a bigger controller screen with 4.3 inches. It has auto leveling, and the machine is 19 kilos. The nozzle can withstand up to 300 Celsius degree, and bed temperature is maximum 90 Celsius. This is also supported by Ace 2 Pro 2.
Right now behind me, I have the closed enclosure series of Anycubic. What I showed you here before was the open closure, like open environment ones for general purpose. And here you can 3D print more materials with a closed format. And in here what we have, Kobra S series. You already know the Kobra S1, but what we have in here, Kobra S1 Max, which is like a bigger, beefier, another pre-launch machine that we are going to take a look closely.
Kobra S1 Max combo has 350 by 350 and 350mm cube print volume. It prints almost all the materials that you can imagine, from PLA, TPU, PLA-CF, PET-CF, PA6CF, PCCF, everything. And maximum 16 color 3D printing is capable with this closed core XY system. And it has 350 Celsius degree high temperature nozzle head with hardened steel nozzle. And it has 65 Celsius active chamber heating. Maximum bed temperature can go up to 120 Celsius. It has standard HD camera for monitoring the prints. Overall machine is 25.7 kilograms. And quick look to Kobra S1 Combo version 2. Supports 4 color or 8 color 3D printing, 250mm cube print volume, hot bed temperature up to 120 Celsius degree. It can print PLA, PETG, TPU, ABS and ASA. And it is 18 kilograms. All the good machines need good filament and resin to produce awesome results, and here are some of the Anycubic filament series from matte, silk, PLA, TPU, Galaxy, and here are the Anycubic resin series from water washable to high clear resin to tough resin. One of my favorite is actually tough resin ultra. It's pretty good, and my other favorite is high clear resin. Since RAPID TCT 2026 is in Boston, they also 3D printed the Boston downtown, and you can see it from top-down view. It was pretty cool to see all these 3D printed objects and everything Anycubic has to offer at this event. As always, happy 3D printing, and Anycubic slogan is "for freedom to make." See you guys in the next video.